In episode 2 of my trip to Albania, I want to travel through France and Italy and do some cycling and running. But in life things don't always go as planned. Crossing the border in France went smoothly. There was no one to be seen.
Oui.
My luck changed when I hit that curbstone when leaving the péage with my right wheel. Changing the tire didn't solve my problem. Unfortunately, I couldn't drive any further and had to be towed away to the closest garage. I spent my time waiting useful to clean the camper and do some washing. I brought my camper to the garage and now I can fill up my days with some cycling and running. My camper van is almost ready. We are just waiting to the new tires to arrive.
So, as you can see, I'm still at the Côte d'Azur in France. My camper van is not ready yet. I'm still waiting of the tires. So they have given me this nice white Vito. So it's time to get the bike out of the car.
I am in Menton today, and that is the starting point of the epic Col de la Madone. My second week didn't go as I wished, but I made the best of it. I hope I have my camper van back on Monday and I can continue my trip to Albania. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you next week.